Primetime news this evening. On the defensive, Integrity Commission head grilled at Parliament committee meeting.
Teacher salary issues close to being resolved.
And later, he's back. Court rules that former permanent secretary be reinstated. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, it's all about gas prices. It's Wednesday, and I'll give you the details as to whether or not they're going or down a little later on.
And our new sportsman is here, Giovanni Dennis. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Gio?
Thanks so much, Herman. Well, it's day 2 of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, and guess what? 2 records have been broken. I'll give you the details in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What's your favorite performance so far at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.